Welcome to Organize with Audrey. Today I'm going to show you how to organize under your sink. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Personally, I prefer white bins because I feel it looks cleaner, but any color will work. Sometimes I measure ahead of time, and sometimes I just buy one bin and bring it home and make sure it fits in the location. Make sure you do not skip this step. Donating stuff and getting rid of stuff that you haven't used in 6 months or more is so important when organizing, and it will keep you organized for the future. This step, when putting things under the sink, it might take some finagling and you might have to move things to different locations if it doesn't fit perfectly. I use a heavy-duty clear box tape to cover the labels so if they get wet, they won't get ruined. I do have a his and her side. The stuff to the right there is my husband's. The stuff in the back is actually cleaners, and the stuff on the left is jewelry, and I am gonna do something different with that later. I didn't show this cabinet earlier before, but I wanted to show you guys the after. Over here I have my travel totes. I also have my makeup palettes. I have my hair pieces. I also have my Q-tips. I also have my medications. I also have my first aid. And then I also have my matte compacts that I recycle. I also have feminine products. And over on the right, far right here, I have my vitamins that I use every single day and my perfume that I use every single day. One thing I forgot to do in this project was put down contact paper, and I highly recommend you do that, and I will do that later. One last tip I want to give you guys is if you don't have a lot of cabinet space, you can pick up these baskets at Walmart. They come in a set of 3 and they also mount to the wall. This is a great way to keep stuff organized and clutter-free that you have on your counter. I highly recommend these baskets because the liner comes out and you can wash it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, also subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below.